Are you looking for an ultimate solution to backup your Office 365 account mailbox items into PDF file format on Mac OS? We bring you the perfect solution with SysTools Mac Office 365 Backup Tool. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Backup Office 365 mailbox items into PDF file format with attachments. Supports page layout and base number for PDF backup. Option to manage email attachments when backup into PDF format. Support to create a single PDF file for all the Office 365 emails. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Java JDK and JRE8 should be installed in the system. SysTools Mac Office 365 backup prerequisite settings should be enabled. 4 GB RAM is required and 100 MB of disk space. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. The software opens with an attractive and simple login page. Now enter your email address and password in the respective field option. Click on Remember Credentials checkbox option if you want to save your email address and password also. Before hitting the login button below, make sure that SysTools Mac Office 365 backup prerequisite settings should be proper. After making changes in account settings, open the software and hit Login button below. In the next window, you can see on the left menu pane, with Office 365 account folders. You have option to mark and unmark the folder as per your requirement for backup process. Now it's time to check multiple export options from the right side. Now select the PDF radio button from exporting option. Clicking Advanced Settings will open another window with advanced PDF settings. Naming convention, you can select the naming convention for the final converted files such as subject, subject plus date, etc. Next is the categories option to mark and unmark the categories whom you want to export. And then below you can see date filter options in order to filter mails according to certain date range. Create single PDF file checkbox option to save attachments in a separate folder. If required, you can choose the Include Internet Message Header option as well. The Page Layout option further lets you adjust the margins and lets you set paper orientation and page size as well. Base number format, you can apply page number and other formatting like start number, increment by, and position. Date stamp, you can also apply date stamp and choose the preferred position or format. The Attachment tab gives you options to save attachments. Attachment on pin, to add attachments in PDF as pin. Append attachment, to convert attachments as PDF page and append at the end of email. Save attachment, to save attachments in a folder in its original format. After making the selections, click Save button below to proceed. Click on Delete after download checkbox for if you want to delete emails folder from server after the backup process completes successfully. Click on Incremental Backup checkbox for if you have backed up your account earlier, then Incremental Backup option window will pop up. Depending on your choice, you can select the Yes or No option. Here you can click Change button to change the default destination location. You can make use of the option to create a new folder. And after selecting a folder, click on OK option. Now you can select the Start Backup option to initiate the Office 365 account backup process. After the process completes successfully, then click OK button. You can choose View Report button in order to see the export report in CSV format. Open the destination folder in which you have saved the files, and here you can see the output PDF files with attachments as well. And that's it, hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.